Welcome to our Divergence table builder. Here you'll be able to create a bespoke table and see what it looks like in real time. Now, a question I'm sure you have is, what is a divergence table? Well, divergence is a term that we came up with to describe what is fundamentally a tabletop constructed from wide planks of the highest grade dimensional lumber that we can find. This is generally free of major knots and voids, and think of it as the perfect way to get a genuine, natural hardwood table without breaking the bank. You can expect all of our tables are 29.5 inches from the ground to the top of the table and 28 inches from the ground to the underside of the table. All of our tabletops will be 1.5 inches thick. Now, why would you choose a divergence table over, say, a commonly found veneered wood table where you still get a similar appearance, but maybe for half the cost? Well, the number one thing you should consider is, do you want to own this table for a year or two, or do you want to hand it on to the next generation? Well, if you answered the latter, then you're definitely going to want to get a table that is constructed of solid wood, which is shockingly hard to find these days. And we're proud to offer the highest quality materials crafted by hand by real artisans in our studio in Pennsylvania for the most affordable price that we can make work. Let's take a look at some of the options we have to choose from. The first one, this is a 7-foot long maple top with dark oiled bronze base. Now, dark oiled bronze is one of our most popular base colors. Maple is a super popular top for a multiple of reasons. One, it's very cost effective. Maple is an affordable wood, relatively speaking, and at the same time, it's extremely hard and durable. So it's gonna last for a long time for normal wear and tear. The next table we're gonna look at is one of our most popular species and one of our favorite species to work with, which is white oak. It's about as hard as wood gets, super durable. You get this incredible light golden hue on the top, and then we've coupled this 8-foot long table with our dark silver base. The last table I wanna talk about today is a much more modern design, and that is our ebonized ash. Now, with ebonized ash, you obviously have a very black surface. Ash naturally is a very light color wood, but it absorbs stain very well. So we're able to create this incredibly consistent, stunning black top where when you look at it from a distance, you just see black, but as you get closer, you really see the grain of each individual board. So now we've seen our hard maple, we've seen our white oak, and we've seen our ebonized ash. Now, those aren't the only options we have. We also have regular unebonized ash, fantastic color, super durable, a great solution for a lighter color wood in comparison with hard maple and white oak. But maybe you're looking for something a little bit darker in color. We have the brilliant reddish hues of cherry. Again, a very economic choice. I think it's the most underpriced wood species we offer. We have probably our most sold, which is walnut. Incredible brownish hues over the surface, super, super durable, and just a timeless look. Ribbon mahogany, otherwise known as sapelli, is about the peak of luxury that you can get in wood. You get these phenomenal ribbon patterns down the entire length of the table, reddish hues, and can fit in a lot of different styled homes. Now let's talk a little bit about sizing. If you scroll down and you see the seating chart option next to our size category, you can really get a good visual for what I'm talking about here. Think about how many people you'd like to sit around your table and choose a table size based on that answer. If you're looking to seat 8 people, you're gonna wanna have at least a 6-foot table, and that's allowing one person to sit on either end. Most people don't want people sitting on either end. They wanna look across. Then you're gonna want a minimum of an 8-foot table. The next choice you're gonna have is if you want a live edge, yes or no. If you elect to add a live edge, you're gonna make all of us at Paramount very happy, because then we get to go and hand sculpt in a live edge on either side of your table. Otherwise, of course, you can choose for the standard square edge, which will break off the edges so there's nothing sharp, and you have a nice, crisp, clean, rectangular, traditional style table. After making these choices, you're gonna wanna choose your base color. We've talked about a few different base color options that we have here, but we also have 6 other signature colors to choose from, such as pebble silver, brass, hammered copper, burnished black, hammered steel, or antique brass. If you don't like any of those colors, we can paint to sample your base color to any color you can possibly imagine. If you're looking for guidance on which base color to choose, or which species to go with, or which combination of the two to go for, you could scroll down in the description here and read a lot more about which base colors or which species work in which different environments. And if you're still unsure, call us and one of our team members would be happy to help you and guide you to the right choice. And finally, the last option you have to choose from in building your bespoke table is whether you want to go for a natural oil finish, which is our signature monocoat, very durable finish that really embraces the natural colors and hues of the wood species, or you can elect for an upgrade of our exclusive 3-step diamond ceramic coating. Now, this is going to provide unmatched protection against scratches, spills, UV damage, and just general daily wear and tear. This is going to create a slight luster in the overall finish, although not glossy. It will not change the natural color of the wood, and it's gonna really help to keep your wood surface vibrant and resilient for up to 5 years. Now you're equipped with the tools and the knowledge to create your own bespoke table. So have fun, use our table builder. If you need any help along the way, reach out to us and we'll guide you through creating your absolutely perfect bespoke Divergence series table.